Welcome viewers, hope you are having a good time. Our today's project is how to make these beautiful crochet flip flop. To making these flip flops, firstly we will make its sole. We will make its double sole. I have made first one and we will start another one. To start the sole, firstly we will make a knot, then make 15 chains. After making chain of 15 stitches, then we will skip 3 stitches and attach at 4 stitch with double crochet. Then we will make one more double crochet at the same stitch. There are 2 double crochet at 4th stitch. From here we will make 10 double crochet. We will make 1 double crochet at each stitch. And this is our last 10th double crochet at 10 stitch. Now we have completed our 10 double crochet at 10 stitches, and this is our last stitch. In this stitch we will make 5 double crochet at the same stitch. We have made 5 double crochet at this last stitch. Now we have reached at other side. At this other side we will make 1 double crochet at next 10 stitches. This is our first double crochet at this first stitch, and the second double crochet at second stitch. We will continue it at 10th stitch. After making 10 double crochet at 10 stitches, at this last stitch we will make 2 double crochet. We will make 2 double crochet at this last stitch because we will complete the equal number of crochet stitches on both sides. At the start of round 1 we will make 3 double crochet at this same stitch, and at the end of this round we will make 2 double crochet at this same stitch. Then the total number of crochet is 5 double crochet. We have made 5 double crochet on both sides of this sole, and from here we will start round 2. At the start of round 2 we will make 2 chains. These 2 chains count as first half double crochet. This is the half double crochet round. We will make 2 half double crochet in next stitch, then again make 2 half double crochet in next stitch. We have made these 2 half double crochet at those double crochet stitches that we have made at the same stitch in round 1. Now this is first and this is second stitch, and these are third, fourth and fifth stitch. On these all stitches we will make 2 half double crochet in round 2. After making 4 half double crochet in 2 stitches, from here we will make 6 half double crochet in next 6 stitches. After this we will make 3 single crochet at next 3 stitches. 1, 2 single crochet, and this one third single crochet. Now we will make 1 half double crochet in next 1 stitch. After this 1 half double crochet we will make 2 half double crochet at next 5 stitches. These are 5 double crochet at the same stitch, and above all these 5 double crochet stitches we will make 2 half double crochet in this round. On first double crochet these are 2 half double crochet. On this second double crochet we will make 2 half double crochet, and this one is third double crochet. Above this we will make 2 half double crochet, and this is fourth, 2 half double crochet, and this is our fifth double crochet. Also make 2 half double crochet on this last. Here we have complete our 2 half double crochet on all 5 double crochet stitches. These are 10 half double crochet. After this we will make 1 half double crochet at next stitch, then make 3 single crochet at next 3 stitches. 1 single crochet, 2 and 3 single crochet. After these 3 single crochet stitches we will make 6 half double crochet at next 6 stitches. Now we are reached at the round part of sole. On the other side we will make 10 half double crochet on 5 double crochet stitches. Here we will do same. We have made 5 half double crochet at the start of this round, and now we will make 2 half double crochet in first stitch, 2 half double crochet in second stitch, and 1 half double crochet in third stitch, and join to the chain with slip stitch. Cut off the extra thread and skewer it on wrong side. Our sole has been done. These are two pieces of sole. We will join them to each other after making straps. For straps making, grab next color and make a knot, then attach to the sole at the second single crochet stitch. Here are 3 single crochet stitches, and we will attach at second single crochet stitch with single crochet, just like this. After attaching it, we will make chain of 14 stitches. After making chain of 14 stitches, we will attach it on the starting stitch of sole with slip stitch. Then make 2 more slip stitch at next 2 stitches. First slip stitch, and this one is second slip stitch. After making 2 slip stitches, then make 11 chain stitches. On the other side, here we are attaching it on second single crochet of sole with slip stitch. After joining the strap on other side, we will turn back to the strap and make 1 slip stitch on each stitch of both straps. After completing the slip stitch row, pull the extra yarn to wrong side and secure it tightly. After completing the slip stitch row, now we will join the both soles together. We will join their outer stitches of second round of the sole. Here we are starting it from the second single crochet stitch. We will pick their outer stitches and join together with slip stitch. After completing the joining process, secure the extra thread in between space of two soles for finishing look. Here our project has been completed. Viewers, if you like my project, then please like, subscribe and share, and give your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.